Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. 2014 Prius V, right? Our hybrid technology. And I can show you this one has 133,000 miles. And I'm checking the fluid in the automatic transmission with no any service data, right? I don't know if it was ever changed, flushed, replaced. So this is the filler. You are watching that very slight overflow with me, which happened immediately after I removed the plug. Here is the typical plug with the crusher washer, right? This washer looks very good, so I'm not sure if somebody ever opened it, but wink wink, here is the hint, right? Look, I caught nothing basically, and it has just a very slow trickle. So now I know the filler can be opened and I can go ahead and open the drain, which you hopefully see. Yeah, it's right there. So let's do that. Now if you open your glove box, if you own this Prius, right, 2014, if you look on the specs, you will find out that Toyota says it has automatic transmission. The fluid which is inside is WS, which comes for world standard, right? This is that new style. They pack it in a 6, right? And how much? Well, apparently there's supposed to be 3.6 quarts of those. This is a bright red fluid normally, right? So let's see what I will get out of it. Now, what's the interval? Is it sealed factory? No. Actually, look at your glove box again in the manual. If you start reading the brochure, which is called Warranty Information and Service, I believe, there are actually intervals. If you drive in severe conditions, and what are severe conditions, I already discussed on this channel, so you can look it up if you don't know what it is. This vehicle actually is driven in severe conditions. So replacement for this fluid prescribed by Toyota in that manual, it's 60,000 miles. Under normal conditions, 120,000 miles. This one has 133, so we are replacing that fluid. And how I remove that plug, right? As you guessed, it's a hex number 10, right? So that's what you need for removing. This one wasn't really tight. I wasn't sure using extension how much power I will need, but it gave up pretty easily. Not bad. So now the question is, what kind of pressure will come out when I open the drain plug, right? It's down here. The same tool. Oh, did you see that? Very easy. I'm not sure if somebody opened that. The owner had no idea if it was ever done. I said, look, you are driving in the severe conditions. It needs to be done. We do that engine oil changes, everybody. Why people keep ignoring transmissions, right? So let's go and see what will come out. How much power? We will also measure it. And look, this is definitely old fluid. I'm telling you right now. Have a patience. When it will slow down, I will get out of your way. I can see it. It's definitely a reason why we are doing it, and I will share the detail of it with you. Both plugs have no magnet, right? It's just a plug with the crusher washer. No magnet on neither of them. And look how it's coming out, and look how dark and bad it is. So I'm very happy I convinced this owner that we need to replace this. This is bad. I fortunately have what I have. Yeah, 1 more hour. The owner will be coming back. But look at this, right? So I have plenty of time to let it drip, definitely at least for 10 minutes or something. Get most of it out and just do this regular maintenance, which if this vehicle was mine, I will be of course doing way more often. I don't care, they say 60. If you have a lot of money and a relatively expensive car, will even go 30. But it's such a big deal, right? Changing 4 quarts, it says 3.6, so 4 quarts of the fluid, even if you get it from Toyota, it costs $14, I believe, one of them. So 4 times 14, it's 56. Well, let's round it, $60 plus your work. So it's definitely worth knowing that you are running clean fluid in it and everything it's running and working perfectly. After it fully drained, I plugged the bottom and this is what I caught. Right? So you can see here, this is that bad color. You might say, oh, did somebody use the royal purple? Well, no, I know it has the color almost, but I know how this stuff smells, right? I worked at Toyota for a long time, long enough to remember it smell. That is exactly WS. And look, it's almost 4 quarts. It's shy below 4 quarts on this measuring can. And I opened the first bottle, right? And this is how it's supposed to look. Do you see? Very light red color. When it's thin, when you see the whole bottle, it's way more darker, but it's not dirty. Here you will be able to see it in that transparent pipe, right? When I will be pumping it up. Right? So, why should be so low? There's no reason. Will you see that color? Hopefully. Oh yeah, do you see? This is the color of the fluid, right, which belongs there. Will it stand? Come on, just little cooperation, please. Our people, they want to see it. Are waiting. See the color? I don't want to touch my camcorder when I'm really just full of that fluid. But you see the color, right? That needs to go back. My message to you. What's my message to you here? Why am I making this video? Well, it's not a how-to video because I already filmed the spark plugs for you in this vehicle, and I'm not sure if I have plenty of time to film it before the people will come. Don't forget, I just have to do the test drive and everything, right? So I might have still, yep, what is it, 30, only 40 minutes, but I still have to write the paperwork and everything. Why I want to show you these things? I want to remind you, hey, these trannies are not, this whole system is not maintenance free. It's not a sealed for a life. It needs to be maintained too. And if you like your vehicle and want to get a great service out from it, you better keep up with that maintenance, right? So again, something interesting for you from my shop on Toyota Maintenance channel. Sorry, when I will get this same setup in the future and I will have half day, I will definitely do it step by step for you. I promise. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.